Welcome to the C# practical session. In this video, we will discuss the program that is copy the one array elements to other elements. Array is nothing but set up homogeneous collection of elements with same data type. So here is the program. Okay. So this is the namespace system because the constructor class is available in the system namespace. With help of the using keyword, I am importing the system namespace. Next is the namespace copy array. Inside the copy array namespace, we have the class that is the program. Inside the program, we have the main method, and inside the main method, we have some methods and variables. Here, I have declared two variables, array variables. First one is array1 and second one is array2 of size 30, 30 respectively. Okay, the first array is the array1 and second array is array2. So we need to copy the array1 elements into a array2 elements. Okay, so we need two arrays. First one is array1 and second one is array2. Next, I am printing a message. Enter the number of elements with help of the console writeLine method. WriteLine method is available in the console class, and console class is available in the system namespace. Next, I am reading the elements through the readLine method, and I am converting into the integer. Okay, I am reading the number of elements through the keyboard with help of the readLine method. Next, console.writeLine, the enter the array elements. I am using for loop to accessing the reading the array elements through the keyboard. Here for loop I equal to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. I am reading the each element from the keyboard with help of the readLine method. I am converting it into an integer because array is of type integer. Here here I is index value. So initially index is start from the 0. Okay, and each and every loop I will be incremented by the 1. Next, in next for loop, what I am doing is just I am assigning the elements of array1 to array2. Here I am using for loop int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Initially I is here 0, means the value of 0 index of array1 is assigned to the value of 0 index value 0 of array2. Means here array1 index 0, value of index 0 will be assigned to value of index 0 of array2. Okay, meaning the first element of array1 is assigned to the first element of array2. Next, again array will be incremented by I will be incremented by 1. It will be the 1. Then array1 means first element, index 1 element will be assigned to array index 2. That is second element will be the assigned to array2. Same happens continuously. Here if array again I will be incremented by 1 and I value of I is now 2. The index value 2 of array1 will be assigned to index value 2 to array. Okay, it will continue until the loop become false. Next, console.writeLine array1 element. I am just displaying the array1 elements with help of the console.writeLine here, and console.writeLine array1 elements are copied into array2. Okay, I am just printing a message. Array1 elements are copied into a array2. What I am doing is here I am displaying the array2 elements. So this is here the main logic. ith value will be array1. Ith value will be copied into ith value to array2. Means suppose index value 0 of array1 will be copied into array2's the index 0 value. Okay, same one index 1 value copied into array2 index 1, and index 2 value of array 1 will be copied into index 2 value of array 2. Same continue until the loop becomes a false. So this is the code about how to copy the array elements into another elements. So just I will move to the Visual Studio. I will create new project, else I will just remove this code and I will rewrite this code. Okay, so here is my namespace system and user defined namespace fact. I will change it to copy array. Okay, inside the copy array we have the class program. Inside the class program I will declare two arrays. One is array 1 and another one is array 2. Size of the array is 30. Next I will declare second array, new int 30. Okay, the size of the both arrays is 30. Next I will print a message. Enter the number of array elements. Okay, I will create another variable that is n. I will store the number of elements into a variable n. Convert dot to int console dot readline. I am just reading the value of n through the keyboard with help of the readline method. Next, what I will do is I will print one message. Please enter array 1 elements. Right. Next, I will use for loop to enter the array elements. For int I equal to 0, index value is always start from the 0. So I initially I make it 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Now I will read the elements through the readline method with help of the index values. Here array 1 I equal to console.readline. So whatever you wrote through keyboard, that will be the string. We need to convert into a integer. Convert dot to int. Okay. Next, what I will do is just I will copy the array 1 element to array 2. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. The second array is array 2. Array 2 equal to array 1. Here index value of I will be copied into index value of array 2. Means suppose 0th index value is of array 1 is copied into array 2 in index 0. Okay, this continues until the condition become false. Each and every element of array 1 is copied into a array 2, or I am just assigning each element of array 1 into a array 2. This is the main logic. Next, what I will do is console dot write line. I will first display the elements of array 1. Okay, the elements of array 1. Next, I will use for loop again to display the elements. Int I equal to 0, I is less than n, then I plus plus. Next, console dot write line. Array 1 of I. Okay. Next, what I will do is I will display the array elements of array 2 which are copied from array 1. Elements of array 2. Next, I will use again for loop for displaying the array elements. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Console dot write line. A of array 2 of I. Okay. Next, console dot read line. Okay. Here is array 1. Now we will run the program. Enter the number of array elements. I want to enter 5 elements, so number is 5. Please enter array elements. First one is 12, second one is 23, third one is 25, fourth one is 64, and fifth one is 77. So this is array 1 elements. It should be copied into array 2 elements. Okay, I will press enter now. Yes, perfect. The array elements of array 1 is 12, 23, 25, 64, 77, and these elements are copied into array 2. So here array elements of array 2 12, 23, 25, 64, 77. So this is about the program how to copy the array elements, one array elements to another array. So thank you for the watching. Stay home, stay safe.